Either it hit the target or not. We are going to check it. Let's check what happened. Okay, the first thing you see is National Aluminium with 190 PE. Okay, basically, so 190 will be the first target for National Aluminium. It got open around 199, and when it was a PE, you can directly see. Okay, it will be look bearish. So till 190, okay, almost 191 it hit, and 190 there is a target. So whenever it is going high, you can sell it, and that is how you do the scalping. Even using with the data, you can do scalping, SMC, whatever they call it. Some profitable trading courses, they will take it, whatever you call it. All the things you can do using with the data itself. So basically we are predicting what is going to be happen in a chart. Okay, we are not checking what is happening in the chart, what is going to be happen in the chart. That is what we are checking, and that is how our data will be reliable. So almost if you see National Aluminium, the target had hit. Okay, so when we check this and other things, okay, IGL with the 550 CE is there. So basically CE means it is a look, it look bullish. So when it come to IGL till 550, it is going to be bullish. That is what we are going to check. So when we check the data, okay, 546 it got open and it went till exact to the target. After the target finish, they went in a profit booking. So the first thing you need to check, if you are entering the market right now, like 12:30 or 12:30 around you are entering, the thing you need to check, either already the target got hit or it is moving towards the target, and accordingly you can take a entry whatever the time based. Because the many people ask me a question, if I miss the trade on 9:15 to 9:45, what need to be done? So that is the reason I am answering over here. Okay, so you basically, when it come to stock 9:15 to 9:45, the target get finished. If you are entering around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock after finishing your all the work, if you are entering, then too you can trade using with this data. You don't need to worry about it. The first thing you need to check, already it hit the target or the target is pending. This is what you are going to check. And even in our live, we talked about, okay, there are a lot of data, and I showed you as well regarding the same. So you can basically, you can trust this data and you can trade using this data to make a profitable, to become a profitable trader. Okay, and idea we are not going to consider, so I'm skipping idea. So India Cement with the 340 CE is there. So basically in India Cement, 340 was the first target, 350 CE also is there. So 350 will be the second target. Okay, so 350 will be the second target. Let's check what happened over here. It got open around 325. Most probably it is trading above 340. So almost the target hit, almost 15-16 points. Even it did not fill the small gap also, it directly went to the target. So till 350 it is going to be look bullish. Okay, it is going to look bullish. And the other stocks, okay, Ashok Leyland with the 240 CE is there. So basically when it come to Ashok Leyland, 240 will be the target. Let's check what happened to the Ashok Leyland. Okay, so it is trading around 229. Okay, 229, it went high of 230. So most probably, okay, so after the data get added, it is looking clear bullish. So till 40 Ashok Leyland going to be, yeah, bullish, correct. So maybe if you are following the data, you might have buy it in a very lowest level, and you would have keep 1 rupee or 1.5 rupee as a stop loss. Okay, so that will be 1 rupee stop loss. And okay, if 226, from 226 to 225 will be the stop loss. 240 is the target, is a very great thing, because 1 rupee stop loss, almost 15 rupees, 16 rupees you are getting as a profit, means it is 1500 rupees returns from your risk. Okay, so you need to check your risk reward ratio before you are entering the trade. So that is the reason I explained it over here. And Indus Tower with 440 C is there and 420 C is there. Okay, so basically 420 is the first target, 440 CE. Okay, so 440 is the second target. And if you notice, there is other thing at last. Okay, there are from last second data was 420 Indus Tower CE, but it is 29 August. So till 29 August, Indus Tower going to be bullish. Okay, for a target of 420 and 440. Let's check what happened to the Indus Tower over here. Okay, it got open around 407 and it hit the target. You can see it right over here, it hit the target. After hitting the target, they are doing profit booking. Once the profit booking finished, it will move towards to 440. So this is what I talked about, 9:15 to 9:45. Most of the trade are max to max 10 o'clock, the most of the trade will be hitting the target. So basically you buy it from intraday, so that you will get a margin of 5 times. Okay, so when you are to buy this stock, you need to pay only 82 rupees. Okay, 82 rupees you need to pay. So you can basically we are closing the trade 9:15 to 9 10 o'clock itself. So intraday it doesn't matter. We are not going to hold it for tomorrow. And the same thing, 1 rupee, 2 rupees stop loss we will be having. Okay. So, and the other thing when it come to ONGC 340 CE, even ONGC we have given previously also. And yesterday I got a message from one of my client, okay, one of my client who would learn from the data from me. He sent me, okay, for ONGC after 9 years it gave a high breakout. Okay, after 9 years it gave a high breakout. But if you are following the data, you might have buy it around 260, 265 level itself, very low itself, and you know it is going to break all-time high. So because why I'm mentioning over here, there are people they trade, okay, after breakout they will buy it because it gave a breakout, so most probably it will move up, it look more bullish, like that they will buy it. But once it gave a breakout, automatically it will fall down. But when you are trading using with this data, you can have a clear target before it is going to happen in the chart, before the news come up. You have a clear target of all time high, correct? All time high or above all time high we had. Even ONGC we have around 330 was the target, it hit. Now they added 340 as a target, so going to be bullish till 340. Okay, so there are lot of tricks you can follow it from the data. If you want to know more details about this, okay, give a contact through WhatsApp so that I will teach you regarding the same. And there is a, okay, there is a IEX with 165 PE is there. So IEX 165 PE means, so PE is the downtrend. So if we check what happened to IEX, 165 was the basic target, first target. So it was falling clearly. Okay, it was falling clearly. So till 165 it will fall. So as I told in a national minimum, whenever it went high, so you can sell it, okay, because the target is still pending. And the same thing, you can keep a 1 rupee as a stop loss or 50 paisa as a stop loss, very minimum stop loss for a clear target. Okay, with the 165 till 165 IEX look bearish. This is how you can trade if you are entering right now into the market, or if you miss the trade of, okay, 9:15 to 9:45, so you don't need to worry about it. Then too there will be a different kind of data going to be added. Okay, and Asian Paints also with the 200 to 2900 P got added. So when it come to Asian Paints, 2900 was the target. So if you notice, okay, directly almost it is trading around 2900 itself. Okay, so from 950, okay, from 950 to 900, almost 50 points you might have gathered it. So even the people think, okay, from here it will fill the gap, but it did not fill the gap. It directly came to the target. Okay, this is what I'm always talking about. Don't get trapped in this gap. Okay, the gap filling is a different concept. Okay, and that gap, when it will get filled, there will be a different concept, so you don't need to worry about it. Basically you follow the trend and you make money in the market. That is how it work. So if you want to know more about this data and how you need to trade, so I'm going to teach it in a live market. Okay, so if you have any queries, please contact through WhatsApp so that I can help you regarding the same. Thank you so much, have a great day.